right? The sirens just went off. Do you hear that? They're kind of late. You really can't see it, but you can hear the hail that's falling right now. All of that is hail. Do you hear that? Holy crap. That, people, that is hail. It is hailing balls out here. Holy crap. I don't want to get too close. I don't want to get hit by a hailstone. But it is hailing like crazy. Ow. God, one just hit me on the shoulder. And I'm like, ow. Back up. Ow. Holy shit. Damn, where the hell is it coming? I'm underneath the thing and I'm still getting hit by hail. Looks like the hail sort of subsided. It was just raining. But you heard it earlier, it was hailing. Thank God I have a garage. I feel sorry for everyone's car out there. And let me back up because it's cold. Holy crap. There it comes the hail again. Wow, do you hear that? My camera's getting wet. Oh. There it is.
Heading down towards the Cape area.
You hear it in my chimney.
Rockwall County. Remember, we had a wind major.
I had to grab a towel. Seems to just be raining right now pretty hard. Not much hail. Yeah, so you can tell the difference from earlier when it was hailing pretty bad. Right now it's just raining a lot. and it's cold. I think it stopped, but it was interesting for a while there. Thank God it didn't hail too badly. We'll see what the damage is tomorrow, because it was windy, a lot windy earlier before I started recording. So I'll let you guys know. Thanks for watching.